Easy. Let's run fast.
Elias, come this way.
6404.
Come on, buddy. Let's go in. Did you get my keys? Here. Come on, Elias. Let's go bye-bye. Come here, fireman. Who's a fireman?
It's a Dodge.
Yeah, I know. Dodge Caravan.
Come on, buddy. Let's go to speech therapy.
Let's go see Miss Ann. Come on, my little fireman. Dodge.
Did we bring the boots?
Yeah.
You have them?
Yes.
Come on, buddy.
Easy.